This bit on bid offer prices is sponsored by Examinator Online, the platform to go to for SFC exam practice questions. Now, bid offer prices are with regard to buying and selling securities. What is a bid price? The bid price is the highest price which a buyer is willing to pay for a given security at any time. Sometimes it's easier to think about buying something like a house. The bid price is the highest price you are willing to go to buy that house. Conversely, offer price is the lowest price at which a seller is willing to sell a given security at a given time. So with my house example, that is the lowest price the seller of the house is willing to go to make the sale. Now, both of those concepts can be examined separately in a paper 8 exam question. Now, let's look at an example and show how the bid offer mechanisms work. The example, the following bid offer prices and the respective quantities of Growth Co Limited are shown on a trading screen as follows. So here is the buy queues. What we can see is at $49.90, there are 35,000 shares have been ordered for buy. At $49.95, 11,000 shares have been ordered. And at $50, 25,000 shares have been ordered. Now the bid price is $50 because that is the highest price which buyers are willing to pay. If we look at the sell prices, at $50.30, 12,000 shares are up for sale. At $50.20, 14,000 shares, and at $50.10, 10,000 shares are up for sale. Now, the offer price is $50.10 because that's the lowest price at which sellers are willing to sell. Let's look at a couple of transactions. A trader sends a market order to buy 30,000 shares of GrowCo. What will be the immediate executed prices and quantities? So we want to buy 30,000 shares of GrowCo. It's a market order. We will take the best price available. Well, the best price that somebody is selling at is $50.10, but there's only 10,000 available. So we will buy 10,000 shares at $50.10. We want another 20,000. Well, the next best price is $50.20. So we will buy 14,000 at $50.20. We've bought 24,000. We want to buy 30,000. So we have 6,000 more to buy, and there are 12,000 available at $50.30. So we will complete our order by buying 6,000 shares at $50.30. So that is how a buy order for 30,000 shares at market price, so the market order, would be filled out. Let's look at another example. A trader sends an order to buy 10,000 shares at the current bid price. What is the current bid price? From the numbers we're looking at, it is $50. That is the highest that buyers are willing to pay. What will be the immediate executed prices and quantities? So we want to buy at $50, but nobody is willing to sell at $50. They're only willing to sell at $50.10. That's the lowest price. So what will happen? Nothing. No transaction can take place in that situation, and the buy order will be put in the bid queue at 50. So there was 25,000 ordered. Now there is 10,000 plus. So that's 35,000 at $50. Now, this is the type of format you could see in a paper 8 question, where they give you the buy queue, they give you the sell queue, and they give you a scenario and ask you what will happen. So by going through these two examples, hopefully you will have a clearer idea of the mechanism. As ever, to practice these questions, go to Examinator Online and you will get sample questions with explanations and audio.